Three, two, one. Hi everyone, my name is Josie, and we're back with another journal entry. This is week 6 currently, as I am making this out of 15, and now we are going to go into week 7, and basically week 6 through 9 is all designed for my project. And I do want to say, in my first journal entry, I said I wanted to do a food pantry album cover in support of a food pantry, but basically doing it in my own fun way, where I was showing off my vinyls and how I wanted to adapt music, make my own AI generated music, make it into a vinyl, all proceedings go to food pantry. I designed the gatefold, the cover, the back, and everything. But I have changed my plans, so instead of doing an album cover, I'm going to be doing a cookbook. And actually, when I switched my idea, I was going to do an album-inspired cookbook. And same thing, proceedings go to a food pantry. But instead of doing like a vinyl and worrying about AI-generated music, I am now going to do, or was going to do, an album-inspired cookbook. But now, this is the last time I changed it. I am now going to be doing a cookbook for the new cafeteria, or kitchen, I would say, opened up at my school, Berkeley College. They're called Dee's Cozy Kitchen, and it's run by Danielle and Vanessa, and they are now the subject of my cookbook because, thanks to my professor, shout out to her, she said, why don't I do a cookbook for them? So yeah, and now I'm basically dealing with a real client, and I go by their branding. I use their fonts, their logos, their colors, their pictures. They give me the recipes, and I basically design the book. And yeah, quite a change we have made, quite a jump, I would say. So here now I'm going to show you the progress I have done so far, and yeah, let's just jump into it. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the file in InDesign, which is basically our primary source to designing this book, or program I should say. Opening it up here, we can see I haven't fully designed the cover yet, only because I still need to think of an idea of what pictures would be in the cover, like of what food, or should I put in the two chefs in the book cover. I'm not quite sure yet, but for now, as a pin, we're just putting their logo, and I'm putting the names, or the fonts, of which fonts we're primarily using. I'm only gonna have 3. I should have no more than 3, but basically each one is gonna be primarily used for a specific paragraph. So Goldie Rainbow is gonna be mostly used for the names of the recipes, or the food. Champagne and Limousines is gonna be for the instructions, or the steps, I should say. Amantic SC will be used for listing the ingredients, and so on and so forth. And these are all fonts that they used in the kitchen of theirs. It's on their menus, it's on their logo, as we can see here. And yeah, I shouldn't need anything else really. So moving on, we are gonna go to the table of contents. So as you can see here, we already have pictures of Vanessa and Danielle. Danielle's to the left, Vanessa's to the right. And yeah, I was looking at some cookbooks for inspiration, and each one has a context page, of course, and so I need to incorporate that into this cookbook. And they gave me about 8 recipes. I don't think I'll use all 8, probably 6 or 7 at most. So, but I'm figuring I'll save contents for last, since I haven't really mapped out the rest yet. So let's keep going down here. Okay, so here's a perfect example of what I was talking about. So one of the recipes they gave me is an Italian breaded chicken cutlets, and on to the left we have a full page that's the entire picture. They sent me this picture. It was a JPEG, and it's the cutlets in a tray. To the right we have the ingredients and preparation, and also you can see here my paragraph styles are open, and I have food recipe names, steps, and ingredients, and each one is incorporating their own logo. And I will definitely be needing paragraph styles entirely when using InDesign, because I might need to change something for one page and maybe I want to incorporate it for all the other pages, so I'm definitely going to need that open. But I feel like something's missing here in this, like, to the right page. It's simply just name, ingredients, and preparation. I don't feel like there's enough personality to the cookbook yet, which I still need to add, of course. We're in early stages, so I won't beat myself up too quickly. But also, I think the picture that we can see here, it looks a little off. Maybe it's the resolution of the picture, or maybe it's too close, maybe it's not too close, I'm not sure. We get to see the detail of the chicken cutlets, but at the same time I'm not sure if this is a really nice picture to go with for starters. So we might need to change the picture. So yeah, we're going just off looks right now, but as far, I'm happy we have the recipe. At least they have been giving me the assets, the pictures, the font, faces, everything, so I won't have to worry about that. At least I just need to make it look pretty much, and also, you know, make sure everything's spelled correctly, no misspelling and such. And I think we have another page here that we've quote-unquote completed as of right now, which is the beef empanadas. And same thing, ingredients, steps, you know, it does look, I think I do like the font choice, at least for each like, I guess we should say, like, text. Like beef empanadas is using Goldie Rainbow, and the ingredients is using the other one I just said, I don't quite remember. And then the thinnest one is the ingredients, so it kind of rolls off the eyes nicely, I should say. And here we have a good picture that they also gave me for the beef empanadas, and they look really good. I'm kind of getting hungry looking at them, but this is a nicer picture, maybe because of the resolution. But yeah, as of now, that's pretty much all I have right now. You can kind of already see the route I'm taking, at least for now. Like, all pictures go on the left side while content goes on the right side, but I'm going to probably mix it up a little bit. I need to add a little bit of my spice, if you know what I mean, you know, like my eye candy, I guess you should say, my little design style in there as well, just a little bit. Nothing that will completely take off the brand off the rails, but yeah, that's pretty much all I have right now. And obviously I will have more in the upcoming weeks. By video 3, it should be completely different. Like, everything should be not in place as it was before. I'm going to make a lot of changes, going to get a lot of good feedback. And yeah, thank you for watching, and wish me luck with this project.